Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it so that the Polaroid actually starts in a random corner and then glides to the center of the screen. So in the previous video, I showed you how to make it so that it would glide somewhere, but instead of going to a random position, I want it to actually start either up on the top left, top right, or bottom left. One of those corners. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to create two different functions. One is going to be called something like go to a random corner and say okay. And then the other one is going to be, glide to a random position and stamp. Okay, I've already finished the code for this one. I just attached the old stuff into here. Yay, I'm all done. And I no longer want this go to random position because I'm going to have it go to a random corner. So first, what we're going to do when we have a new Polaroid is go to a random corner and then glide. And when we run this, it won't actually go to a random corner because there's no code here. So let's add that real quick. Okay, so we're going to use two different if-elses. I'll just pull up one for now. And we're going to check to see if a random number equals 1. And we're going to pick a random number between 1 and 2. So if our number is 1, it'll run the if part. If our number is 2, it'll run the else part. Now what I want to do is actually set the x, which is our left and right, to minus 240. That's all the way to the left. And then positive 240 is all the way to the right. Now we're going to use very similar code for the next part. But instead of set x, we're going to set y. Now, the y is a little bit different. It's only 180 for up and down. So we're going to set y to minus 180 and set y to 180. Okay, so now it will randomly go to one of the corners. If the number is 1, it's going to go to the left side. Then if the number is 1 again, it's going to go to the bottom. However, if the number is 2, it'll go to the right. And if the number is 2, it'll go to the top. So it could randomly pick any one of those 4 different combinations that we've got there. So now whenever we run our new Polaroid, it'll start in a random corner and then glide somewhere towards the center of the screen before stamping again. Cool? So add in 2 different functions, one to go to a random corner and one, which you may have already done, where it glides to a random position before it stamps. And make it so that if it's 1 and 2, it will go to set x minus 240. And then if it's else, then it'll go to positive 240. And then do the same thing for set y. Cool? Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.